actually do have one. I think it's 7,000 points, and if you would like a burp, that's how much it's gonna cost you. You missed the Australian. We don't talk about the Australian anymore. Thank you so much, Zoit. Thank you for giving me your Prime sub for this one. That's very nice of you. I really appreciate that. Oh, hang on. Someone's redeemed it. Okay, 1 second. That was poor. That was poor. Guys, I'm gonna run out of gas. 3 in a row. There you go. Hello, Ploofy. Hello, Eshcroft. Hello, Gluten. Hello.
Is your bastion. Summon and train champions to fight. You have chosen your. Excellent work. When you upgrade artifacts to certain levels,
A free-to-play game on. But I wanted to start again, really, because I want. Hang on. Okay. Come. I am fine. Pardon me. I'm taking. You can have that one. We'll go up by 5 minutes. Pardon me. If you use code Noodle for 10% off. Oh yeah, don't worry. I had a nap. I had a 4-hour nap. The co-op mode is shark versus humans? Okay. Sorry. I can only upload 10 at a time, so. Pardon me. You centimeters?
Okay. Got you.
Thank you for the 12 months on. What was that? Vaccine. I need an ASMR pooper. Okay, 1 second. What's going on with this bee? This guy is so cringe. Why are you playing with him?
Oh.
Tell me how his pee. Hello, I'm
Gonna be 14 minutes late. That's what you said.
Yeah, no, actually. Pardon me. I am very back to business. We're gonna have to watch that cutscene again. I'm really sorry. Oh, that is. That was good. What's 11 stone and what do you use for the yummy filling? What flavor did I get? Frosted hot. Oh, Firetail, you changed your name again?